Hey, this is Dave Anderson, Helicool's Helipad. Today we're going to be doing some battery maintenance, so stay tuned. Yeah, the other day I had to pull the batteries out of Malachai in order to pick up the other vehicle because it didn't have batteries in it. And it just kind of begs the question, when is the last time that you've done battery maintenance on your LMTV batteries? If you don't remember, you probably should do it. So there's some rusty bolt heads that are holding this battery plate down. So I'm just going to take a wire wheel and brush those up just a little bit just to knock the big rust off of it. And then I'm going to throw some rust reformer paint on it to make sure that it's got a good coat of at least rust reformer. And then I'll probably spray it with some Rust-Oleum black paint so it's got a good coat to help preserve it so it's not going to rust again. And then we're going to take this little doohickey, clean the battery posts, and then also we're going to take this and clean all of these connections right in here. Alright, all of those bolts holding that lower pan have had rust reformer and now spray painted. See, it just works perfectly. Just gave its last little puff of air. And there's the sign right there, no lights, just gave a puff out the out the discharge. Yeah, it's a beautiful running rig. Well, just like I suspected in an earlier video, the door needed to come up a little bit, which where I mounted these fit this perfect. So this lock fits on there beautifully. Yes, it does have the master upside down, but you know what? If you stand on your head and watch this video, it's perfect. One other thing I didn't mention in the door alignment video, this here actually moves up and down probably almost an inch. So if you're having issues with aligning your door and where it sits when it closes, you might need to just unscrew this, adjust this a little bit depending on where the latch is coming in, and this will actually hold that door pretty stable up and down and help you align it better. And also, if you're having trouble with the if it latching and not being able to unlatch, this is part of the issue right here. So make sure that that is aligned well, and that should avoid some of the trouble you might have. All right, the very last thing is to take some battery protector and sealant, and I got this at True Value. This is not a paid advertisement whatsoever, but the last thing, of course, is to spray this on the battery terminals to make sure that it doesn't corrode. All right, once all of the terminals have been sprayed, and it says to give 2 light coats, make sure to get the cover back on, line these up, put those back on so it's back secure again, and this job is done. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and a comment. That would be perfect. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and ring the bell to get future notifications of when I release videos. Until next time, guys, be safe and God bless.
You're still here? Why don't you click on one of these 3 videos? They're great! You can also click on Dave's face to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified when new videos publish. Go ahead and click. It's okay. Click!